In this video, I'll show you how to add a speed ramp effect in DaVinci Resolve. Start by making sure you are in the Edit tab. Move the playhead to the point where you want the speed ramp to begin. Then right-click on the video and choose Retime Controls. This will show the speed options for your clip. Click the small arrow next to the speed indicator and choose Add Speed Point. Now move the playhead to where you want the speed ramp to end and add another speed point. Your video will now be divided into 3 parts. Click the arrow next to the middle section, hover over Change Speed, and select the speed you want for that section. Next, go to the Inspector panel and scroll down until you find the Retime and Scaling section. In the Retime Process drop-down, select Optical Flow. This helps make the speed transition look smoother. If you play the video now, the change in speed will feel sudden. To fix this, right-click on the clip and select Retiming Curve. In the Curve Editor, click on the first speed point and enable the curve icon. This will show 2 handles. Extend both handles outward to create a smoother transition. Repeat the same process for the second speed point. Adjust the curve until the speed change feels natural. Now play your video to see the result. That is it.